To redeem a Lyft gift card, follow these steps. Start by opening the Lyft app on your mobile device. Then tap the menu icon located on the upper left side of the home screen. Next, select the gift card icon from the menu options. If you don't see it, go to the Payments section and tap on Gift Cards. Enter your gift card code and PIN, and the gift card will be added to your account. You can then use it before a ride or in combination with other discounts, or up to 24 hours after a ride with the Rate and Pay option. Alternatively, you can redeem your gift card on the Lyft website by going to lyft.com, clicking on the gift cards option, and then selecting Redeem Gift Card. Enter your card number and PIN, and click on Redeem. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Lyft gift card and start using it for your rides.